Did you know that the law governing wills actually dates back 188 years to 1837? The Wills Act of 1837 to be precise. So while life has changed dramatically since then, much of the framework for wills in England and Wales hasn't kept pace. The law governing wills is complex. Over the years, there have been amendments and case law shaping the rules, but the core principles are still rooted in Victorian times. That means the rules are often technical, confusing, and in many cases, difficult for people to navigate without professional help. And that's exactly why people often end up making mistakes. Mistakes that can have serious consequences for their loved ones after they die. But there may be some change on the horizon. The Law Commission, which is the independent body that reviews laws and makes recommendations for reforms, recently reviewed the law concerning wills and has recommended several reforms to modernise the law and make it more accessible. You can find out more information about the recommendations made by the Law Commission by visiting lawcom.gov.uk/wills. Although it's a significant step, the recommendations made by the Law Commission are not law yet. Only Parliament can make, change, and revoke laws, and so it will now be for Parliament to consider the recommendations for reform and decide whether to implement them. But here's the reality. Whether the law changes next year or in a decade, wills are still complex, every will is unique, and the law must always be applied to your personal circumstances. That's why I always say, don't rely on Google, ChatGPT, or any online template. If you're planning your own will, make sure you speak to a qualified legal professional to get advice tailored to your circumstances, and ensure your wishes are clear, enforceable, and protected. Think of it as an investment in peace of mind for you and your family. I hope this video helps and empowers you moving forward. As ever, if you're interested to know more or are just completely confused, leave a comment and I'll do my best to respond.
This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional advice and should not be relied upon as such. You should always seek professional advice on your individual circumstances.